So here I wanted to show another experiment. I got some feedback from people in Germany and Austria, and they told me they split wood at 3 foot length, 1 meter. And so now I tried that, and they say the advantage is the following, that instead of having to split 3 times, you only split once, so it saves you time splitting, and the tower that you build is more stable. If you compare this tower with that over there, you can see that the 1 meter, the 3 foot pieces, they stack more easily and a lot more stable. And you can see there basically on the bottom I have again a pallet to get air to it, and then there's maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 pieces I put, and then on the other way I do the same. So crisscrossing, putting about 7 to maybe even 10. If you look at this row, I might even have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. Anyway, it only works, and that's the big problem, it only works if you have trees that have no branches. As soon as you have branches and not in the wood, it will be very difficult to split at 3 foot length. So when I see a tree trunk that is without the knot or without a branch, then I try this one. And the second disadvantage is that afterwards, once it's dry, you will have to use your circular saw to cut it into the sizes that you need for your chimney, for your stove, for your fireplace. So what I see here is 2 advantages. It saves a little bit of time on splitting, it helps the stack to be more stable. It's easier to build the stack, with the 2 disadvantages that you have an extra tool that you need. At the end you need the circular electric saw, and the splitting itself, to me, it seems a little bit more inconvenient. Also I wanted to show something else here. Once I mentioned that it's difficult to build rows on sharp inclines or inclines. So here on my piece of land, I look to the place where it's the smallest incline, and I started building steps with pallets, and then I build rows on top. So here I built 4 steps. 1, the second here, the third, and here at the end the 4th one. So here I got 4 steps built with pallets and leftover bricks. So typical example here, I'll show this here maybe here as an example. Put some leftover bricks there, some rocks on top, a pallet, and then I started mounting my rows. Let's show the rows. If we look in there, up. So these are 2 rows. On the left side of the pallet I put a row, on the right side of the pallet I put a row. So this allows me here to build the stairs, and then on the stairs basically the usual method. Also what I did is in here, I'm not sure if you can see it, I put some leftover furniture in there. This is a drawer. Why? It gives extra stability. Here you can see the other piece of the drawer. If we look on this side, you see the actual piece of furniture. The main furniture is here. From here I took the drawers and also put them in there. You can see them here. Here in there, there's this drawer which is kind of reddish brown color. Why? Give it extra stability so it will not fall over. And the same, I stack up to 5 foot roughly here. I make occasionally, I build a little tower in there, and in the free space I just stack them tightly here. So there's less airflow, but I don't need so much space, so it's a trade-off. Less airflow, but I get more wood in there into this. Now again, let's show that there's 1 pallet, and I make 2 rows on 1 pallet, and basically I can continue to build up and I will build up more steps on this piece of land here. This is in preparation. Again, I found more leftover furniture. This is a metal rack, and again, well, instead of throwing it into the garbage, I will use it as a stacking place for the wood to dry. So this is in preparation, not yet done.